So there we have Mohit, who's standing at the place where the Prime Minister and Chief Minister will be arriving in just a couple of minutes. The Prime Minister has been speaking with the people. Listen into what he had to say when he visited Kashi.
विश्वनाथ धाम का ये पूरा नया परिसर एक भव्य भवन भर नहीं है, ये प्रतीक है हमारे भारत की सनातन संस्कृति का। ये प्रतीक है हमारी आध्यात्मिक आत्मा का। ये प्रतीक है भारत की प्राचीनता का, परंपराओं का, भारत की ऊर्जा का, गतिशीलता का। आप यहां जब आएंगे तो केवल आस्था के ही दर्शन होंगे ऐसा नहीं है, आपको यहां अपने अतीत के गौरव का एहसास भी होगा। कैसे प्राचीनता और नवीनता एक साथ सजीव हो रही है, कैसे पुरातन की प्रेरणाएं भविष्य को दिशा दे रही हैं, इसके साक्षात दर्शन विश्वनाथ धाम परिसर में हम कर रहे हैं। जो मां गंगा उत्तर वाहिनी होकर बाबा के पांव पखारने काशी आती है, वो मां गंगा भी आज बहुत प्रसन्न होगी। अब जब हम भगवान विश्वनाथ के चरणों में प्रणाम करेंगे, ध्यान लगाएंगे, तो मां गंगा को स्पर्श करती हुई हवा हमें स्नेह देगी, हमें आशीर्वाद देगी। और जब मां गंगा उन्मुक्त होगी, प्रसन्न होगी, तो बाबा के ध्यान में हम गंग तरंगों की कलकल, गंग तरंगों की कलकल का दैवीय अनुभव भी कर सकेंगे। बाबा विश्वनाथ सबके हैं, मां गंगा सबकी है, उनका आशीर्वाद सबके लिए है। कुछ ऐसे लोग भी थे जो बनारस के लोगों पर संदेह करते थे, कैसे होगा, होगा ही नहीं, यहां तो ऐसे ही चलता है। ये मोदी जी जैसे बहुत आके गए। मुझे आश्चर्य होता था कि बनारस के लिए ऐसी ही धारणाएं बना ली गई थी, ऐसे तर्क दिए जाने लगे थे। ये जड़ता बनारस की नहीं थी, हो भी नहीं सकती थी। थोड़ी बहुत राजनीति थी, थोड़ा बहुत कुछ लोगों का निजी स्वार्थ, इसलिए बनारस पर आरोप लगाए जा रहे थे। लेकिन काशी तो काशी है, काशी तो अविनाशी है। काशी में एक ही सरकार है, जिनके हाथों में डमरू है, उनकी सरकार है। जहां गंगा अपनी धारा बदलकर बहती हो, उस काशी को भला कौन रोक सकता है। इस देश की मिट्टी बाकी दुनिया से कुछ अलग है। यहां अगर औरंगजेब आता है तो शिवाजी भी उठ खड़े होते हैं। अगर कोई सालार मसूद इधर बढ़ता है तो राजा सुहेलदेव जैसे वीर योद्धा उसे हमारी एकता की ताकत का एहसास करा देते हैं।
Before Prime Minister Narendra Modi set foot in the Kashi Vishwanath temple, he went and he took dip in the holy Ganges. That's how it's supposed to happen, and that's why the corridor was inaugurated. Prime Minister wanted all the devotees who come to the Kashi Vishwanath temple that they should be able to walk till the Ganges, and that's the proper way of doing it. People usually go to the Ganges and then come to Kashi. The Prime Minister was clad in saffron, which is the auspicious color of Hindus, and he made his way into the Ganga river from the Lalita Ghat. He was carrying a kalash and he had flowers, and then he offered the kalash and the flowers to Ma Ganga. The Prime Minister, when he took the holy dip, the water was freezing when he did that, and he was seen chanting mantras when he stepped into the Ganges. He was also wearing a Rudraksh mala. When the PM walked into the Ganga, it was without any security, and he was seen offering prayers, and he spent about 10 minutes in the cold water chanting slogans all along. Prime Minister, after he offered the flowers in the water, he made his way out, and he was seen waving at the locals who had gathered in large number just to get a glimpse of the Prime Minister who made their dream possible. The Prime Minister also carried the kalash with the holy water, and then he walked into the Kashi Vishwanath Mandir.
माँ गंगा ने मुझे बुलाया, ये शब्द मेरे भीतर से उठे हुए शब्द थे। शायद वो शब्द भी नहीं थे, मेरे अंतर मन में चल रही एक आध्यात्मिक प्रवाह की शब्द रूपी वो अभिव्यक्ति थी।
In 2014, Prime Minister Modi said Ma Ganga had brought him to Varanasi. And 6 years on, the Prime Minister's Kashi mission has brought him back to Ma Ganga. Clad in all saffron, with a Rudraksh mala and kalash in hand, no security detail, nobody accompanying him, chanting mantras and offering prayers to Ma Ganga, Prime Minister Modi's Asta helped him overcome the freezing cold as he stood waist deep in the holy Ganges. First taking a holy dip and then chanting mantras with his Rudraksh beads. After offering his prayers, the Prime Minister walked out of the Ganga, a kalash full of holy Ganga Jal to offer to Lord Shiva in the Kashi Vishwanath Mandir. Devotees and locals in Varanasi were elated to witness the holy dip by the Prime Minister in the Ganges.
हमारे काशी वासियों के लिए ये बहुत ही गौरव का पल है, हम इसके साक्षी बन रहे हैं।
मोदी जी को धन्यवाद तो जरूर देंगे कि इतना अच्छा काम करा है, यहाँ पे इतना मंदिर का इतना अच्छा रूप बना दिया, नहीं तो फिर पहले तो कम था, पर अब काशी और ज्यादा प्रचलित हो गई उनके रहने से।
Prime Minister, clad in all saffron, taking a holy dip in the river Ganga with a Rudraksh mala around his head. Giving out a message as well that, the Ganga here is now cleaner than what it was. You can take a dip. With him doing so, that's the kind of messaging he wants to put forth where the river Ganga is concerned.
The last time the Prime Minister took the holy dip in the Ganga was in 2019, months before the general election. And the Prime Minister's dip in all black then had sent political ripples across Uttar Pradesh. This image of the Prime Minister taking the holy dip could be the biggest political headline in the UP election season. Will the Dubki in his Karma Bhumi this time too have political waves? With Preeti Chaudhary, Bureau Report, India Today.
Heartwarming images came to the fore when Prime Minister Narendra Modi met the construction as well as those who take care of the sanitization of the Kashi Vishwanath temple. Prime Minister had his own way of thanking those people who usually are faceless and whose job is something which not a lot of people talk about. Prime Minister started walking with them, and when he started walking with them, he showered them with flower petals. He honored their blood and the sweat, and he thanked them for putting in their hard work behind the construction of the temple. He also thanked them, and he took the opportunity of clicking a group photograph. Apart from that, he also had his lunch with those people, thanking them, and this was his way of showing them how grateful he was for the work that they had done. Video of the kind of rousing welcome that Prime Minister Narendra Modi got the moment he stepped foot in his here in the city. The Prime Minister was showered with flowers when he was in his vehicle. In fact, he also stopped and he accepted the gifts. There were some people who gave him a topi, a hat, and there were others who just gave him sweets. All these gifts were graciously accepted by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Well, as the Prime Minister began his jam-packed day in the city of Varanasi, there were certain dresses which he wore. He started his day by wearing a beige cloth, and then he wore the saffron kurta before he took a holy dip in the Ganges, and then he changed into the golden kurta. The Prime Minister was also seen offering prayers at the Kashi Vishwanath temple, and soon after he offered prayers, we also saw how he gave an offering. All the priests had surrounded him. He also was taking part there, and once when it got over, he from his pocket he gave a coin, and then he moved on to inaugurate the Kashi Vishwanath corridor. While on one hand we are saying the Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurating the Kashi corridor, and then on the other side we also saw how politics has erupted. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav has taken a pot shot at the BJP and the Prime Minister, and he said in fact it was his government which had laid the foundation stone for the corridor. Now Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav has claimed that the Kashi corridor had got the approval when the Samajwadi Party was the ruling party in Uttar Pradesh. He slammed the BJP and called that all the mega celebrations that were being done were to deflect the actual people's issue. Akhilesh further claimed that it was Samajwadi Party that had passed the Kashi Vishwanath corridor project, and he also said that he has documents to prove the same. The current project was cleared in record time by the Yogi government despite the pandemic. The project was approved in 2017 and Prime Minister laid the foundation stone in 2019.
सब चीजें बाहर से लाई जा रही हैं, तो किसान की आय कैसे दोगुनी होगी? ये जवाब न पूछ ले, इसका ये सवाल जनता न कर दे। इसीलिए काशी विश्वनाथ कॉरिडोर और काशी विश्वनाथ कॉरिडोर भी अगर किसी ने कैबिनेट में पास किया था तो शुरुआत किसी की थी, तो समाजवादी सरकार की थी। वो भी हम डॉक्यूमेंट दे देंगे आपको।
Well, that's all the time we have on this very special edition on India Today. For more news and updates, keep on watching India Today. Thank you.